In this video, I'm going to talk about what C++ is. First, you can just go to Google and type what is C++. Then you'll get tons of information about C++. In general, C++ is a very powerful and flexible general purpose programming language. You can use C++ for various applications. And so if you just Google what is C++, you will go to various the places where you can find like good information about C++. So here you can go to Wikipedia. Wikipedia will still give you a pretty good set of information what it is. Okay, C++. And you can just read this information at your leisure. Okay, so in reality, it wouldn't matter much whether you know the what C++ is. It's good to know, but this would be some a reference to your computer coding skill. So I would recommend you to go to these places and try to get to know what they are. Okay? And that's something you can do. So I'll let you do that. Okay? And but still, you can actually go to history of C++, and if you take a look at it, okay, early C++, 1979. Okay, so C with classes first implemented. So it has been in industry for many decades. Okay, so 1979 it started, and then it got improved over last few decades. And time to time you will see this C++ and number. So here 1984, C84. Okay, well, actually not that one. Okay, if you go somewhere like this, C++ 98, C++ 03, and you will see this number 2011, C++ 11. Okay, so these are different versions, and more precisely, C++ follows the rule by ISO. ISO is International Standardization Organization. I think that's what it is. I might be wrong. But basically, people come up with standard for this C++ language, and the latest C++ version is C++ 14. Okay? So here you can actually go to isocpp.org. Then you can get information about this standardization. Okay? And so ISO, and now we have C++ 14 is the latest version, and they're kind of working on C++ 17. Okay? So basically they come up with some improvement, and then this ISO get together and make decision on how to standard this C++. Okay? And C++ has been used in industry for a long time, so you can easily find these types of list. Okay, list based on kind of software. Okay, so these are software that has been created with C++. So most of the operating systems are written in C and C++ language. Okay, these include Windows 95, 98, 2000 XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10 as well, and Apple Mac OS X. So all these operating systems, and most of them are written in C and C++. And famous web browsers, obviously Microsoft Internet Explorer, and Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Netscape Navigator, Opera, and those are written in C and C++. And Office products such as Microsoft Office, like Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Outlook, Front Page, and Apache Open Office, and Corel Office, WordPerfect Office, and graphical software such as Photoshop. So actually Photoshop was written in C and C++. So this list go on and on. So you can again, like this is general information available, so you can just Google C++ application list, then you'll get these types of information and get to know what types of famous applications are written in C and C++. And one last thing in this video, okay, this is allitebooks.com. So again, allitebooks.com. So these are some place where you can get some IT books, IT ebooks. So if you go here and search for C++, and you'll get many many books, okay, available for you to download. Okay, so you can go through this list and download a few books and read them at your leisure to get more information about this programming language. Okay. And personally, like any books are good. Okay, so try to just download few and try to read them at your leisure. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. And again, you can get all this information online. So at your leisure, take a moment and Google this C++, and you'll get this good information to kind of help you develop your coding skill later on, because sometimes it's important or helpful to understand the background of this programming language. Alright, that's it.